In this step-by-step tutorial, I will give you a full walkthrough how to use alarms on TradingView. So to do this, we need to log into our TradingView. You then want to go to products, go down to super charts. And then once you are on a price chart, you can set alarms a couple of different ways. So what we've got is on the right hand axis right here, as you can see, there is a plus icon along the price. Now, if we click on the plus icon, you will then be able to set an alert and set an alarm at this specific price on this specific currency. Now, what else we can do is if we come down, let's just say that we have put a trend line right here. What you will then be able to do is you will then be able to set an alarm on this trend line. So what we want to do is go to this icon, click on add alert. You can call this whatever you like. If we put in a message, you can put in AUD USD alarm, for example, click on create. And then if you have created it correctly, there will be a little clock icon at the side of your trend line. So they are the different ways that you can set up alarms on TradingView, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.